In this video, we will show you how to trim jump stitches between letters. Every time a text is inserted, it is combined into one object. And this is why a text initially appears with jump stitches between the letters. Have in mind that the software automatically optimizes the design according to the optimizer options. The parameter trimming distance defines that all objects that are closer than the minimum distance are connected using jump stitches. The letters are usually closer than this minimum distance. So if you want to trim the jump stitches between the letters, you need to define a minimum distance lower than the actual distance between the letters. Now, let's measure the distance between our letters. All of them have a distance of more than 2 millimeters. So let's add a thread trim to all stitches over 2 millimeters. In order to see the final optimized design, you need to switch to slow redraw. As you can see, the jump stitches are now automatically trimmed.